Hi, I'm Phil McCaffrey, and here are two problems that are on the SAT, the ACT, the GRE, and any other standardized test that involves math with geometry. The first problem reads, an isosceles triangle has angles of 70 and x degrees. What is the least possible value of x? They're telling you that the measurement of two angles. And since a triangle has three angles, what is the third angle? Well, in an isosceles triangle, two of the angles are the same. That's the definition of an isosceles triangle. So let's take a look at the two possibilities for the value of x. And the first is that x is the same as the other angle. I like to write my isosceles triangles where the two angles that are the same are on the bottom. So in this case, I have 70 plus 2 x angles equals 180 degrees. If I subtract 70 from both sides, I have my two x angles, the sum of the angles, is equal to the total, 180 degrees, less 70, which is 110. The individual value of 1x, I divide by 2, and in this case, the angle x is equal to 55 degrees. Check your work by adding 55 plus 55 plus 70. If you do that, you get 180, which is the degrees of a triangle. Now let's switch it around, where x is at the top, and I have two 70-degree angles. Following the same procedure, I have x plus 70 plus 70, which is two 70s. That's going to equal 180 degrees. X plus 140 equals 180. Subtract 140 from both sides. X is equal to 40 degrees. The question here asks, what is the least possible value of x? The two possibilities are x equals 55 degrees and x equals 40 degrees. The least possible value is 40. On our second one, an isosceles triangle has angles of 82 and x. What's the greatest possible value? Well, let's fly through this just like we did on the last one. And there's two different ways. And that is to put 82 and x and x and x and 82, 82. Let's do it as fast as we can. 82 plus 2x equals 180. 180 minus 82 is 98. 98 divided by 2, x is equal to 49. The second one, x plus 2 times 82 is equal to 180. X is equal to, in this case, 180 minus 164, which is 16 degrees. The question asks for what is the greatest possible value for x. And the greatest possible value for x is 49. X equals 49. The SAT is really tricky. Don't ever underestimate them, SAT, ACT, GRE. Don't ever underestimate that the words least and greatest, the other answer will be there. So don't forget the RTFQ. I'm Phil McCaffrey. Happy learning.